How to archive cards on Trello. So let's get started. Open your board. I'm gonna use this one. And this job or this task is done. So we would like to archive this card. Click on it, scroll down, and here simply click on archive. And when you go back, you just archive the card. If you wanna unarchive, click on this three dots, click archive items, click on it, scroll all the way down, and you can simply send to board. And here we go, we got it back. So this is how can you do it. So I'm gonna show you one more time real quick. Click on the card, scroll down, click archive, and that's it. And for unarchive, just simply click archived items, and you don't need to click on it. It's here, send to board, and that's it. This is how can you do it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment or like, and if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. See you.